Here is the sewing light viewed from the back, where you can see the USB port where the USB cable gets plugged in to provide power. Here's what it looks like plugged in. Here's what it looks like with a double-sided adhesive stuck to it so that you can stick it to your sewing machine. This is a 3M example that will release when you pull on this tab to stretch it. Giving it a 180-degree spin, this is kind of how it's intended to be mounted, with this surface stuck to your sewing machine and the cable going out the back so it's not in your way, and the two buttons to operate it on this end. There are two buttons on the end. The button that is closest to you is the on-off button. Press it once and it turns on. Press it again and it turns off. The other button is the color change and decrease brightness button. The light has two colors. One is daylight, which is shown here. If you press the button, it'll switch to a warm light. You can press the button again to switch back to daylight. To adjust the brightness, press and hold either one of the buttons until the light blinks. Then holding the power button will increase brightness. Holding the color button will decrease brightness. When you have the brightness set where you want it, release all the buttons and wait until the light blinks again. Now it is in normal operating mode. After about 5 seconds of making no adjustments, the light will memorize the current settings so that the next time you power it on, it'll return to your last operating point.